Okay, so with this next part, we're going to go to scene 2, and we want to now create a character. And I'm going to sort of try and make this character start to move his lips to a script. Now, in this next scene, there's not specifically a script, but I'm going to maybe try and make the character talk to the camera or something like that. We'll see how we get on. So I want you to sort of follow my process really. And my goal is to have this character here that we worked on before in this sort of environment. So this character in this sort of environment, these colors, this sort of look and feel. And we're going to use ChatGPT to help us with the prompt for this. So we're going to go to the Mid-Journey prompt generator again, and I'm going to do a mashup, I think. A mashup, I don't know if it's really a mashup, but of the prompt that we used for this person. So we've got the prompt over here that we used. So we're going to just copy this here for now. I'm just going to, I'll edit it in a second. And I want this prompt as well here. In fact, I'm not going to use this. Let me use a different program because it's quite a long prompt. So I'm just going to use use this as a sort of a scrapbook, I guess, for now. So this is the this person, and then I also have this sort of description here of what ChatGPT came up with. So I'm going to put this in. I'm also going to put in this as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through this now, clean it up a bit, and then put it into ChatGPT and see what it comes up with. Okay, so this is what I've sort of kept. So I'm going to put atmospheric fog, adding to an air of mystery, futuristic technology at play. The scene catches the essence of cyberpunk. I'm keeping these parameters as well, trying to get the same look and feel. 20-year-old man smiling, blue eyes, messy hair, scruffy, retro glasses, and I'm keeping all this. So I'm going to take out this now. Okay, we're going to use this prompt. I'm going to put this, take all this, put this into where are we? Put this into Mid-Journey prompt and see what it sort of comes up with. So it's come up with a sort of few interesting ideas, not necessarily something that stands out to me. It's sort of focusing a little bit more on the idea of, so it's got a DJ here, it's got hackers, some other stuff here. What I could do is take a few of these elements and put it back into the prompt that we had, which I've lost now. Here we go, and play with this a little bit more myself, and then put it into Playground and see what comes up. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so what I did, I actually decided to try again some slightly different prompts, and I took this text again and I just played around with it. I put the character first and then the atmosphere, which I think works a lot better. So, and it came up with this, which is really good. There's some really good requirements here as well, which I quite like. I like it when it does that, because you don't always understand what, you know, Sony Alpha 7S is. I have no idea, but it seems to work well. And basically what I did, I then I basically took, and this was the important part, I took these images that I used for the opening scene, if you remember this, because I wanted to keep this look and feel, colour. I put it into the image based on that image in the image strength there. So basically clicked on that, image to image, and then I went and It's not always easy to navigate around this app. I basically generated these, so I basically just put in for weak quality, low quality, because I just want to generate quickly, quite a small image. I tried 38 and it came up with these. I really like these. I like it. I think it sort of matches the look and style and feel. I really like this one. This one really stood out to me. I thought this was really good. This really in line with what I was thinking about. I think that could be a student dorm in the future. This guy, you know, he looks like a young sort of protagonist, I think. I don't know what was going on there. That was sort of fun. I like this image. I think maybe this would be the sort of image I could come back to later on for another thing. But this one I really liked. This is okay. So what I'm going to do, I think, with this, I may try and just generate another 4 and see what happens, see what else it gives me. I may try this. Let's try the strength up. May mess around with a little bit prompt guidance. I'm going to go more prompt guidance and just see what it comes up with. And I think that's the best way to use this sort of program, is just to keep, even if there's one that you really like, play around with some more, and then you can image to image this. So I'm going to try some more, see what comes up, and then I'm going to probably come back to this, I assume, and do image to image and then play around with this. Okay, no, this hasn't worked. Basically what it's done is relied too much on this, which is my fault. So what I could do, maybe I'll do one more. I'll take it down, leave the prompt guidance up, and just see what comes up. Okay, so these are good. I like these images. This one I particularly like. I think could work on these. They all look, you know, like a student. That definitely looks like a student accommodation in the future. But I think I prefer this one. I think it's more in line with this, you know, this sort of look and feel that we're having for the animation. I really like this. So what I'm going to do here is going to do image to image. I'm gonna zoom out. Let's put that there, and we're gonna put the guidance quite high and see what it comes up with again. And I want it to be quite high here. So basically what I'm going to keep doing is keep going through this process, playing around with the settings, and I'll come back when I've sort of got something that I'm sort of settled on. Okay, I like this. I'm going to go for this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to blow it up to the highest quality I can, download it, and then we're going to go to the next steps of animating it and then putting over a basic script.